Alright, good day guys. Now this is the video I promised to do for us. Now I noticed that during the exam section most of us were unable to actually organize our work, so today I'll just show us how to do that. Some of us, all we know how to do is just open VS Code and start writing our code, but how to get our projects, where to save, how to open the right folder, we miss out on that greatly. So I'll just go through that very fast. Okay, I'll assume that each and every one of us here we've not installed VS Code, so I'll go through the process. All you just need to do is come here and type VS Code download. Once you come to VS Code download, you see this place that says codes.vs code. Go there and download it. Now I'm currently using Windows, so I'll come here and download for Windows. Then after that, just go ahead and install it. You already know how to do your installations. Go ahead and install it, then you have it here. So this is my VS Code here now. So let me create a folder and call that folder test. So this is how to create a folder. I'll right click on an empty space. I'll come to this place that says new, then folder, then I'll click it, then I'll just say test, then I'll say test folder. Okay, so that's a camel casing. Alright, so that's a camel case method of naming files. So this is my folder here, test folder. So there are two ways to open it. One, I can right click on it on the folder and click on open with code. Once I open with code, VS Code is going to open this folder directly. So you can get this option at the point of installing your VS Code. Just tick it. You see a place there where they'll ask you to select an option if you want it to always appear here. So you can just tick that option and have it. So once you tick it, it will definitely appear here. Then why the other way that is very common is you opening your VS Code, open your VS Code. So while our VS Code is loading, alright, our VS Code is coming up already. Okay, alright, let me quickly delete this. Alright, so why our VS Code has is open now, all you just need to do is come to this place that says file. You can see it here. Let me expand this screen so that you see it very well. Come to this place that says file, click on file, then you see this place that says open folder, click on it, then you select the location of the folder you've created. Now if you created your folder on the first screen, this place is called the desktop. The location of this place is called the desktop. So all I would just need to do is come to the desktop. I'll click on it. If your folder is in documents, is in download, is in music, anywhere, you can go there and select it. But this place, you select the location, then you look for the folder here, you select the folder. Now okay, this is it, test folder. You select the test folder, then after selecting my folder here, this is the folder I'm using to show you example, then you click it. You can see now that VS Code is opening it. Now do I trust it? Yes, I trust the author of that particular folder. Now if you look at this place where my folders and files, the space made for it, you can see that this place is now showing test folder to tell you that this is the folder I am working from. So all I just need to do if I want to create a file is click on this place that says new file, right? Click on it. This place says new file. This is new folder. If I want to create extra folder inside this folder, I can click here. Now a file, if I want to create a file, for example HTML file, I'll click on this. So I can just go ahead and say index.html. Right after that, I'll press enter. So immediately I'm done with that, I'll just bring out my boilerplate very fast. Then I can just go ahead and put my h1 and quickly type hello world. Okay, I quickly type hello world. Alright, now after that, then I'll save. You press your Ctrl S to save. Now after that, I'll come to my folder. Now if I open my folder here, you can see that this file is here. So anytime I ask you to bring your file, in case you're unable to push to GitHub, or probably we're having a physical class, I may ask you, go and open so and so projects that you have done. Please know how to open it, know how to create a file, know how to create a folder, and also know how to work from that folder. So by the time I open it now, you see that we already have this here. You understand? So basically that is how this works. So if you have any question, let me know. Don't forget, always learn how to organize your folder. So another example is should I have multiple folders here? And probably I said, okay, this is my test folder. I want to build an e-commerce app. So I can come here and say e-commerce. Understand? I can say e-commerce, then enter. Let's assume this one is not here, so I'll delete it. I'll come to this place now and delete it. Okay, move to recycle bin. Then I'll come back to my folder. Then this e-commerce, oh sorry, there's an error there, but let's just go ahead. The major thing is not about the spelling at this point in time. So we have e-commerce here, and I have another one. Let's say I want to build a project basically that, okay, let me say joke app, for example. Joke app. Let's have something for fun. My spellings are off today. Alright, let's assume I want to build a joke app. So that's a joke app. That's another folder. So I can come here. You can see that the various folders are opened already. Understand? So if I want to select a particular folder I want to work from, I'll just come to this place, open folder. You understand? Open folder, so I don't get things confused. I know that this is what I want to work with. E-commerce. I'll open it. So once I open it, only e-commerce will be open, so I can go ahead and create my file. You understand? So that's how it works. So if you have multiple folder, just go ahead and click on the folder you want to work from, and you're good to go. So like this, you will be able to know where you are storing your code and where you are building from. You understand? So thank you very much and take care.